Dead Bird Economics Part 1. All the calls are coming.
Part 3.
Oh, Part 3, my bad. Sorry, I smoke a lot. Forgot. Okay, a black guy, blue shirt. Anyways, okay, we're about to look at the bird die. You see it? Yeah, I killed that motherfucker. Shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! It almost hit me. Oh, my God! He was like... Huh? Nope. I haven't seen any bus yet. Oh no, we're recording something. Mr. Sharky.
Come on, you gotta do yourself a favor. Don't put yourself together a little more. I'm doing you a favor. You understand what I mean by that?
Yeah. Okay, I won't wear any more shirts like that.
You understand that? Don't.
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Trust me on that.
Okay.
Trust me.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright. He doesn't like my cut-off shirts.
Calm down.
He's old. He's
Cut-off shirts almost everywhere.
he old. I know. You see me cut. Oh shit! Alright, guys. Whoa, shit! Oh shit!
Go back out in the road a little more.
Okay. The bird. Oh shit! Nobody's running over the bird. I don't understand.
No, don't go there.
I gotta wait for all these cars. They're being assholes. I gotta pee.
Well, if we go pee, the bird's gonna get squished.
All right. Hold on. We gotta wait for the bird to get squished. Come on, dude on bike. Huh?
When the bird gets squished, you have to record that. That is correct.
Okay. Okay, that bird's getting squished. Fuck! It's about to happen. Oh, he almost hit it. I know, I saw her.
What are you doing?
Oh shit, that bitch. Oh my god, this fucker right here. Oh shit! You guys see that shit? Oh fuck. Oh fuck, this silver car right here. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Huh? Oh yeah, it needs to get a little closer to the long white line. The bike lane, basically. Oh, that old lady almost hit it. Alright, let's just hope this black cat hits it. Nah, that motherfucker didn't hit it. Okay, I'm about to kick it back to the white line a little bit more. I think it's good, right there. Yeah, it's a dead bird. It's a real dead bird, yeah. Oh god, I just see my boyfriend's parents. Shit. Hey, that was Sergio's mom and dad in that red car. Alright, let's see.
My pants.
Huh?
I dribbled.
That means you peed a little.
I kind of dribbled like 2 seconds ago. I kind of pissed in my pants a little. And I'm really gonna piss in my pants when I actually hit the bird though. Okay, you guys. He saw it. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know how hard it is to get a bird ran over up in this motherfucker. Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, hold on, guys. Let's see if they hit it.
Stop it and then record it again.
Okay.